Exchange money.
Hi, I would like to buy some dollars, please.
Of course. How much money would you like to exchange today?
I have euros here. I want to change all of them.
Great! I can help you with that.
Is the rate good today?
Yes, the rate is very good, and you will get a nice amount.
That makes me happy. I need dollars for my trip.
That sounds exciting. Traveling is always a wonderful experience.
I'm going to New York City for the first time.
Wow, that's amazing. You will enjoy it a lot.
Thank you. I feel very excited.
You're welcome.
Here is my money.
Thank you. Here are your dollars. Have an extraordinary trip.
Check in at a hotel. Hello. I would like to check in, please.
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked a room for 2 days.
Great. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. I found your reservation.
Perfect. Is breakfast included?
Yes. Breakfast is included from 7 to 10 a.m.
That sounds good. Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free. The password is on your room keycard.
Nice. Where is the elevator?
The elevator is on your left, just past the flowers.
Thank you. I'm excited to stay here.
We're happy to have you. I hope you enjoy your stay.
I'm sure I will. Have a great day.
You too. Please let us know if you need anything.
Which bus goes downtown?
Hi. Can you help me? I'm trying to get to Central Park.
Sure, I can help you. It's not far from here.
That's great to know. Which bus should I take?
You should take the number 10 bus. It stops right here.
Perfect. Does it go straight to Central Park?
Yes, it goes very close. You just need to get off at 59th Street.
Okay. Thank you. How long does the ride take?
About 10 minutes. The bus is usually very fast.
That's good. Do I pay on the bus?
Yes, you can pay with cash or a transit card.
Good to know. Is the stop well marked?
Yes, you'll see a big sign that says 59th Street.
Great. It sounds easier than I thought.
Yes, you'll be fine. It's a simple route.
Thank you so much for your help today.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time at Central Park.
First day at work.
Hi, it's my first day at work. Can you help me make coffee with this machine?
Of course. I'm happy to teach you.
Thank you. I want to learn the right way.
No problem. First, we put the coffee beans in this part.
Oh, I see. Is this enough bean?
Yes, that's perfect. Now, press this button to grind them.
Okay, I pressed it. This machine is amazing.
Yes, and it makes coffee so fast.
What do I do next?
Put the cup under the spout so the coffee can fall in the side.
Done. This is easier than I thought.
You're doing great for your first time.
I'm sure the coffee tastes good.
Yes, it is. This machine makes very good coffee.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Anytime you need help, just ask.